This is a brand new module, so we're still working on adding features to it, but it is usable as is, and a lot of our departments are using it. You create the categories here, so it's unlimited again, but we've got lots of examples here to give you an idea of what you can track. This is the category, and this is how many of them there are. And then we can pick a specific one directly from the list, and this is what a profile view looks like for each individual item. So based on the category, you may get specific fields. So in this case, it's an air bottle, so we can choose the PSI and duration. Everything can be assigned to an apparatus, person, or location, and we can even go a little bit more clear about where it is exactly. The status is available, whether it's out of service, out for repair, and we can track the last time it was tested, the next time it needs to be tested. We have some views to help you keep up with that. Across the middle, we've got some numbers. So whether it's got a serial number, a fire department number, asset tag number, you can record all of those. And there is some barcode scanning capability with the iPad specifically. It will actually use the camera to scan barcodes, so you can use that capability. And then there's cost, funding, service, expiration, all that stuff. We do go a step further. The barcodes, though, we use QR codes. We can create the QR code directly within StationSMARTS. And there's actually a place. So once that QR code has been placed on the device, then you can scan that and you're going to get a web view of this layout. It gives you the details for the item up at the top. You can create a repair for it here in the view. So let's say something is broken, we need to get it repaired. It's going to create it in the activity tracker in StationSMARTS, and it's also going to show up in the portals here so we can see what that is. And then if there is a particular website training about how to calibrate it, how to use it, how to fix it, you can have those links, up to 3 links available over here. And they're going to be available in the section down below as well. So someone could scan the QR code, tap the training, watch the video, and know how to do it. So that's available through that piece. This particular section, this web portal, this is available on any device that can scan a QR code. So it doesn't have to be able to run FileMaker. It can be Android, it could be Windows-based, it could be Chrome, Chrome tablet or whatever it is. It's all going to be available as long as it can scan a QR code, then you'll be able to get to this view. From the main list here, we also have the inventory search. So this is going to allow you to search a couple different ways throughout the equipment module. So we could see everything assigned to a particular apparatus, assigned to a particular person, assigned to a storage location, looking at particular inventory items. So if we want to see all the air bottles, all the boots, all the coats, we can see those. The status items, so this is letting us see everything that's in service, out of service, out for repair. The test date is the view that will let you see what's currently in need of testing. And there is some system setting to decide the visuals for what the colors look like to grab your attention. Well, this one's definitely ready. It's over past due. So you can have that be red instead of blue if you wanted it to be. We've got the expiration date. So this is for funding planning, essentially. If you wanted to see everything that you're going to have to replace over the next budget year, you'd have that date range. And this is everything that's going to be needing to be replaced. We have end of life. So you can see items that have been thrown away. And then the last piece here is for funding. You can see everything that was purchased with a particular grant. So if they come back saying, hey, where are all these items? How are you using them? You can see them here in this view. And speaking of funding, we have the funding tracker, which allows you to track each of those funding sources. You can attach documents for it, the amount of money you used, and when it started and ended. The checkbox here is what allows it to be used in the equipment module. But if you leave it unchecked, this is basically just a place for tracking your funding. So it can be used for funding sources in general, not just for the equipment.